Is your G634JZ laptop screen looking a little meh? Well, this TL160ADMP03-00 replacement digitizer might just be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. We're talking about transforming that display into a visual feast, and honestly, it's a pretty significant leap. This isn't just a replacement part, it's a gateway to a much more vibrant and responsive experience. The specs on this thing are seriously impressive. We're looking at a 2560x1600 resolution, which is incredibly sharp, especially on a laptop screen. That's a massive 189 pixels per inch, meaning text will be crisp, images will pop, and you'll notice details you might have missed before. And for all you gamers or content creators out there who crave smoothness, the 240 Hz refresh rate is an absolute game changer. Scrolling will be buttery smooth, motion blur will be a thing of the past, and the overall responsiveness of the display feels incredibly fluid. It's an IPS panel too, so you can expect fantastic color accuracy and wide viewing angles, making it great for both productivity and entertainment. Installation, while not covered here, is generally straightforward for a replacement component like this, and the payoff in visual quality is well worth the effort. The touch functionality, which is a key part of the digitizer, works flawlessly, making navigation intuitive and seamless. It really brings a new level of interaction to the G634JZ. You can feel the quality difference immediately. So, if you're looking to breathe new life into your G634JZ with a stunning visual upgrade, the TL160ADMP03-00 is a fantastic choice. It delivers on its promise of a high-resolution, high refresh rate, and responsive touch experience that truly elevates the laptop's capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.